The old hospital stood silent that night, except for the footsteps of Amy, a young nurse making her rounds. She checked it on each patient, administering treatments and offering words of comfort. In the pediatric ward, she stopped it to read a story to a little boy who was scared of the dark. Though her shift was almost over, Amy didn't mind staying late to ease his fears before he fell asleep. As she made her way home under the stars, Amy felt grateful for her job at the heart of this place of healing. National Hospital Day is celebrated each year on May 12 to honor dedicated healthy professionals like Amy and recognize the important role hospitals play in communities. The first hospital day took place in 1921 when a magazine editor suggested designating a day to thank hospitals for their service. The American Hospital Association agreed and chose the anniversary of Florence Nightingale's birth for the occasion. Hospitals save lives, treat the sick and injured, and provide care for the most vulnerable in society. Yet the demanding nature of healthy care often means the professionals and institutions who carry out this work go unappreciated. National Hospital Day is a chance to raise awareness of the value hospitals bring to communities and express gratitude for the skilled and compassionate professionals within them. People mark this day in many ways. Local hospitals hold open houses, healthy fairs, and events to engage with community members. Current and former staff members receive cards and tokens of thanks for their service over the years. Individuals share stories on social media of how local hospitals have cared for them or their loved ones during times of crisis. Advocacy organizations launch fundraising campaigns to support hospital programs and improve services. Some make an effort to visit hospitals on May 12th to hand out small gifts, baked goods, or flowers to nurses, doctors, technicians, and other staff. Simple acts of kindness and appreciation go a long way in brightening the day of healthy care professionals who work tirelessly to serve others. National Hospital Day highlights the human side of healthy care. Behind the monitors, tubes, and sterile surfaces are caring individuals devoted to the well-being of each person who comes through the hospital doors. By recognizing them and raising up the noble work they carry out each day, we take a moment to honor the healers in our midst and give thanks for the quiet miracles they make possible. May 12 is National Hospital Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful National Hospital Day. Cheers!